Go.
Okay, so we are making a basic paper airplane.
Which I'll show you what it looks like in the end. Oh. Wait, is this the sick one? No, this is...
That's a good one.
Yep, this is the one that Mom made. It's a basic airplane, except it's better than the ones that the kids in my class make it. It's like better design. And then we're gonna show you how to make it look like that.
Okay, so you take one piece of plain paper. I suppose you could use ruled paper as well if you wanted to.
Whatever ruled paper is.
With the lines.
Oh, yeah.
And you are going to first put it in half. Oops, you want to try to get it as straight as you can.
Like you should get those pieces of paper.
Which is not always easy to do, but you do the best you can. So it's folded in half. Then we're gonna turn down the side of one side. And then the other side.
Hope you guys are listening. Guys, by the way, pause the video if you need more time.
Yeah. Okay, so that's what we did was we folded it in half and then turn the sides down. And then you're gonna take one side and...
You guys, I've seen videos like this made 2 years ago, but you should get the Dangerous Book for Boys. It's for people 8 and up, and they actually show you how to make the bulldog dart.
Ooh. And you do the other side.
And we actually have that book,
So, and it looks like a plane. See the wings?
Yep, there you guys go. That's how you make a basic airplane mom style. Those are our credits. So is those credits.